POV. You're an energy-savvy individual looking to impress someone with your cost-saving skills. Okay guys,
I've got something in my front pocket for you.
we've all got those old radiator thermostats. You know, the ones that have been there for 15 years, struggling to keep our rooms at the perfect temperature.
Pretty much everywhere, it's gonna be hot. Try that?
Then I don't need a jacket. Thanks, Arthur.
But here's the deal. They cost us more than we realize. You see, these conventional mechanical radiator thermostats wear out over time. They become stubborn, either too hot or cold. And it's a real hassle. Plus, they're making our energy bills skyrocket.
Skyrockets in flight.
Not to mention the unnecessary CO2 emissions. So, what's the solution? Drumroll, please. You can replace them yourself without breaking the bank. New thermostats start at just around $10, and simple programmable ones are a bit more, around 20–30 euros, but worth the investment. Imagine this. In an average house, you can save around 100 euros a year and reduce carbon emissions by a whopping 425 kilograms. And if you live in a flat, you can still save about 65 euros and cut 250 kilograms of CO2. But wait, there's more. For those who want to go all out, smart thermostats and smart home systems cost a bit more but will pay for themselves in a few years. In our store, they cost an average of 40 to 50 euros. So, there you have it. Replacing those old radiator thermostats after 15 years isn't just a simple DIY project. It's a super smart way to save money and reduce your carbon footprint. You'll impress not just someone but the planet too.
Great job, you kids!
Take action, make the change, and let's turn the heat down on unnecessary costs and emissions. You got this.
You're right, I'm in. Let's do it.
Follow for more brilliant smart home tips and tech wonders.